on to a follow-up. Lorain County Prosecutor J.D. Tomlinson and his chief of staff, James Burge, are scheduled to be in court tomorrow. The pair have been charged with felony tampering with evidence and intimidation. The case surrounds the allegedly tumultuous relationship between the prosecutor and his ex-girlfriend, who once worked for his office. Our Kaitor K is digging into the court documents.
Lorain County Prosecutor J.D. Tomlinson and his chief of staff, James Burge, under legal fire. The Lorain County Sheriff's Office, Ohio State Auditor, and the FBI conducting a joint investigation on the pair. 3 News obtained court documents that accuse them of tampering with evidence and intimidation, with Tomlinson also facing a charge of attempted bribery concerning Tomlinson's now ex-girlfriend and former employee at the prosecutor's office. It's alleged that after the former employee brought a concern to the office's chief of civil division, Tomlinson, quote, engaged in disparate treatment by disciplining her. She says Tomlinson grabbed her by the shoulders and physically shook her, and, quote, he was holding her employment over her head to engage in a sexual relationship, which resulted in her constructive termination from her employment. The court docs say the former employee resigned in August of 2023 and 2 months later received a $100,000 settlement at a Lorain County Commissioners meeting. However, the payment settlement was apparently not done with transparency or turned into the county's insurance plan, but was accomplished through payment through the prosecutor's salary budget. This settlement resulted in a public records suit and a taxpayer suit. The court documents allege that Tomlinson and Burge have tried to tamper with the former employee by, quote, urging and soliciting her to adopt a false narrative to undermine the investigation. The former employee said that she, quote, felt harassed and intimidated by their efforts. The court docs allege many attempts Tomlinson made to meet with her to get her to backtrack her initial allegations, including showing up to her residence by sneaking through backyards, offering her $500 to meet for dinner, and once calling her over 100 times in a single day. Also in the complaint, the employee admits to meeting with Tomlinson in Montana in August. It details a heated exchange over the settlement. Now, looking forward, tomorrow here at the Elyria Municipal Court, both the prosecutor and his chief of staff are scheduled for an arraignment at 11 a.m. And in the meantime, 3 News has reached out to all of the investigating agencies for comment, which they say they cannot provide at this time because this is an ongoing investigation. Jay.
Very interesting story. Kaitor K live in Elyria tonight. Kaitor, thank you.